10 plus items from Dollar Tree that you need to check out for this summer. Okay, first off, Dollar Tree is great for seasonal kitchen items, seasonal dishes. They had the nautical ones that were like kind of like a beach theme. I love the charger plate from this one right here. They still have drips and drabs at my Dollar Tree of those pieces. The bee dishes, they had lemon dishes. So they had a lot of pretty ones so you can change up your table settings. They still do have a lot of these pieces at my Dollar Tree, so you might want to check out your Dollar Tree to see what they have. But you can mix and match these with like solid dishes that they have at Dollar Tree or solid dishes that you might have at home. Just a pretty color yellow would go nice with these lemons. White would go nice with these. But they have the cups, they have the drinking glasses. They have paired it with the gold charger plate and things at my Dollar Tree, but you can pair this with so many different things. They have the placemats there, but these are just really pretty and bold prints that would just bring an extra little pop to your home for the summer. I especially love the lemon and the bee ones, but like I said, they do have a ton of other prints that are coming and going. And if you want to catch them, I would try to catch them now because Dollar Tree is going to start to change over soon for the seasons, because they started changing over for the seasons really early. So if you are looking for a summer place setting, you might want to grab one of these. And like I said, they still have them at my Dollar Tree. So you might want to check around your Dollar Tree. And always you can buy online, but you'll have to buy in bulk. But if you want a large place setting, that might work for you. But yeah, I love the dishes. I can't wait to see what they come out with for the Christmas season, if they're going to do something new, if they're going to do the same ones that they had before. But I am loving the summer ones that they have out right now, especially the charger plates for the nautical one and the bee one, because they look the same. I just like the way that looks, and you can really use those all year around. The greenery, the second thing that I think you should grab at Dollar Tree right now for the season. I've seen these type pieces at high-end stores for so much. And $1.25, you can grab yours and make you like a little faux lemon tree or a little faux orange tree. But these are cute in like a nice white pitcher vase or something like that. Like, the vase that looks like a pitcher. Those are real pretty. They have a ton of other greenery out right now. And again, but these are something that you want to grab when you see it, because Dollar Tree will begin to change over for the season soon. So if you are looking for some faux greenery for the season, I would head over to Dollar Tree and pick some of these up and grab them now. These bins, so Dollar Tree has, they change their colors and stuff for the season. These bins are going to be great for, you can carry these, you can use it in your car, especially if you have kids and you like to go places. They have toys, they have things. You can organize your trunk and different things with those. You can organize your pantry, different things too. But those with the handles on the side, they're great to take back and forth to the car with the kids' toys and things like that. Leave them in your trunk. So you might want to head over to Dollar Tree and grab some of those bins. And you're in cute, bright colors right now. And then again, you can grab them for other things, just organizing and stuff around your home for the season. And they change them out throughout the year. You just want to make sure you get good ones. But yeah, Dollar Tree is great for storage options too for the season. So if you're looking for summer storage options, you might want to head over to Dollar Tree and see what yours has right now. And then on top of bins, number 4, I love the seasonal collections. So if you can grab some of the nautical collection, it was so pretty, and it'd just be nice decor for around your home and things like that. So yeah, if you can find some of the nautical pieces from Dollar Tree right now, this makes for great summer decor, and just to bring a little change to your home from the regular decor. You can use bowl fillers, and just placing these pieces around your home can just give it, that bright vibe for the season. So yeah, I love the nautical collection that they did have, or the beach collection, whatever you might call it, for the season, because these pieces were great to just bring that extra little change to your home. So if your Dollar Tree is still carrying some of these pieces, I would definitely go check it out and see if I could grab a few of these pieces. They had craft items, they had decor pieces, just so much, just so many pretty things. They had signage, they had reforms, and like I said, my Dollar Tree still has some of these pieces out. So yeah, you definitely might want to check out your Dollar Tree and see if they still have some of these nautical pieces out, because it is a great way just to change up your home. And for $1.25 a piece, that is not bad at all, and bring a whole new vibe and look to your home for the season. That would be great. Now for number 5, the metal wall decor that they had. So they had these nice butterflies, and you can see they have fall out already. They had these big flowers, but they were in such a pretty color, and you can make a really great wall display or something with these. And some had hooks, some didn't have hooks, so this can be useful at the same time, but these were just really pretty. And then the toys. Okay, so if you have kids, you know they need to be entertained. These toys are great. $1.25. If you're going on vacation, just about every state has a Dollar Tree. So you can grab some of these if you're staying at an Airbnb or something like that. If you're staying someplace new with a pool, you grab a pool noodle in this little mesh thing here. They just have a ton of different things. They have goggles. They have all kind of things, flip-flops, everything. And $1.25 is not bad at all. Then the garden supplies. They have these all year, but they're just real pretty. And if you are a gardener or outdoor type person, they have a ton of things to keep your home like nice and pretty for the season. They have planters, they have the little water spouts, they have the stacking planters. They just have so many great things, and I love the colors, the different things. They have candles for outdoors. So yeah, Dollar Tree has a lot of great garden supplies, from decor to all kind of different things. I'm not a big gardener. I couldn't tell you what you need and what you don't need, but Dollar Tree has, it looks like everything you need. They have tools, they just have just about everything. So if you're big on outdoors, you like to keep your outdoors nice and pretty, especially for the summer when you're going to be out there enjoying it a lot more, you might want to head over to Dollar Tree and pick up some of these supplies. You can see they even have potting soil. That's a bag for $1.25. I think that is great. The summer pieces. So the summer pieces for the kitchen, these are great for outdoors. And again, $1.25. They have serving plates. They have tablecloths. They have party supplies. They have drink pitchers. They have kitchen items. If you have a backyard outdoor grill, like a grill setup, they have things for that. The reforms. So if you like to make door hangers, different things like that, they have all the different shapes, all the different sizes right now that you can grab at Dollar Tree, and just make yourself some really pretty things for your front door, for your back door, to give as gifts to if you have an Etsy page and you like to sell. Right now Dollar Tree has all those things. And these, you saw the bead dishes, the bead decor, I've been finding it in drips and drabs, different spots. My Dollar Tree will put some out at different times, but they have a ton more than these pieces. And the bead decor is really pretty. It's just like a subtle detail, but it also brings that summer vibe to your home. So yeah, they have a lot of pretty decor pieces right now for this season, and again for $1.25. So you might want to check out your Dollar Tree and see what they have as far as seasonal decor. These sunglass holders, the Dollar Tree has sunglasses, and these sunglass protectors I think are so cute for $1.25 to keep your glasses from scratching. More of the seasonal pieces, like I said, you can throw you a great outdoor party right now with these items. And then the molds are great for not only ice but chocolate, crafts, all kind of different things. The bright color items for the kitchen, these little drink containers, they're great. They have different ones for just going around. You'll have the nice color kitchen items right now at Dollar Tree. It's just great finds. And then of course the solar lighting, they'll come out with different ones. They've had so many different ones for the season right now, so you might want to check out your Dollar Tree to see what they have for the summer season.